Hello, everybody. Welcome to Stock Market Jimmy. Yes, it's called Stock Market Jimmy. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. This is Advanced Micro Devices. The stock market has taken off, everybody, as you know. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. We actually had originally bought this stock at $77. Then we originally bought it at 87, and then we sold it. It dropped all the way down to 77. We bought it at 77, and we sold it at $93. And boy, was that a mistake. What I was hoping for is to get back in. I was thinking it was going to go down again, and then I was going to buy it. I never was thinking about a long-term hold at that particular time. I knew that it would take off, but now it's really taken off, guys. So that can happen to you sometimes, as you can see in the last month. This stock was like back at the $80, $90 range. Now it's kind of, taken off, guys. And that's what happens sometimes. You learn from this. So it all just depends on what you decide that you want to do, whether you want to be a swing trader or you want to be a long-term trader. And let me tell you what happens to you. Well, let's talk about Robinhood real quick. Let me tell you what happens to you guys is you don't have enough money a lot of times to do a long hold. So if you do a hold, let's say, for example, you bought Robinhood and you were holding it, you're going to do really well. So you have to make up your mind. Now, I started telling you about Robinhood when it was at $50. No. If you look at the videos, I was telling you about Robinhood when it was $44. $44. So you would have made almost you'd make $19 per share just in a 30-day period of time. That's a lot of money, guys. So with Robinhood, everything's at its high. So here's Elf Beauty. I told you about Elf Beauty when it was $50. $50. Now it's at 76. It's at 77 now. I believe after I made this particular video, I saw it go up to like $77. All right, so $76 on Elf. Arista Networks, I just told you guys about that one about 2 weeks ago. I told you that the target price was 85 to 87. 85 to 87. We did buy, we paid 85.52. So I do have 50,000 with Arista Networks, a net. So we are up a good amount here. We're up about $11 per share, which is fantastic. So Arista, if you look at the 5-year, it's kind of up towards the top. If you look at the 1 year, you're up towards the top, but not like crazy. Arista, I see this being a $200 stock. Okay. Elf Beauty, we don't have the chart here. So I was trying to click on the chart, as you can see. And the chart, for some reason, it just didn't want to show when I was trying to display Elf Beauty. So we'll go ahead and wait. Okay, Google. Google's very important to me, guys. I have $130,000 invested with Google. I own 844 shares. My price per share is $154. So right now we're at 161, and I think that I would consider, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm definitely not selling. So I think that this stock is probably one of the best stocks that you can own based on the value and the potential future growth. This stock right here is one of the few stocks in the stock market right now that's an excellent buy, even at 161. Could it start going down a little bit to shake some people off that purchased? Of course, it could shake down to about 157, 158. You might be able to get Google between 156, 157, 158. But then again, Google could easily right now, it could easily go up to $200. This stock one day, in my personal opinion, will be a $350 stock. That's just what I believe. To get to 200, to me, I think is just easy. They just have way too much going. Do you know that their automated vehicles, their taxi fleet, well, anyway, that ended there. So I'll just keep talking on the screen, I guess. Their taxi vehicles literally beat Tesla. They have more taxi vehicles than anybody, and they 4x'd the volume in 1 year. Keep that in mind. Okay, guys, thank you for watching Stock Market Jimmy. It's such an easy name to remember. That's why I picked it, Stock Market Jimmy. Can't get an easier name than that. But anyway, guys, please, this is a new channel, so give me a like. It helps the algorithm, and subscribe to this new channel, and I'll have a lot more for you. I'll see you guys on the next one, and good luck with your trades, and I'll talk to you guys soon.